Marketing and publicity. This training has repetitive redundancies to ensure easier, faster, comprehensive learning. Marketing and publicity. Marketing and publicity have two different meanings. They are needed together. Each one cannot work successfully alone. They are effective together. Marketing are the elements that describe why your product is worth buying by the consumer. Publicity is the vehicle to get the marketing elements to the consumer so that they know about your product. An example is a newspaper ad. What is written in the ad is the marketing. The newspaper itself is the publicity. Both need to work together to be effective. You need marketing and publicity together to reach the consumer to explain why your product is worth buying. The following practice exercises will involve the example of an author and a book. We'll explain in greater detail later the three elements of marketing. The WIFM is what's in it for me, a question to be answered, why the consumer should buy your product. The rascal factors represent the who and the what. The who is the author and the what is the book. The 5W covers other elements and pulls WIFM and rascal factors together. All three elements of marketing are combined. The who and the what are the rascal factors. The why is the WIFM. And we'll explain later the when and the where. The when is the time frame, and the where is any type of location. The WIFM answers the question, what's in it for me? This is the question that the consumer asks. We provide an answer in the form of an equation so it's easy for you to follow. The equation for your answer, what's in it for me, is it or this will make or give you, and then you would indicate a passion, a why, a result. The why or the passion is an emotion. Some examples are, it will make you happy. This will make you successful. It will give you chills. This will give you love. The rascal factors define the who and the what of your product. The RASCIL is reliability, authenticity, completeness, illustration, and location. The reliability and authenticity represent the who. In this case, it would be the author. The skill, SCIL, simplicity, completeness, illustration, and location, are talking specifically about the product. In this case, the book. Reliability is how long you've been involved with your genre or topic. The authenticity is the certifications, degree, your experiences, the positions you might have held, the titles, any type of participation you had. The S, simplicity, has to do with how easy it is to get your product. The C, the completeness, all the satisfying qualities of your book. The I is the illustration. It's the cover of your book. And the L is the location, where the book can be purchased, be it in stores or online. Is it an audiobook, an ebook, or a paperback? So again, we'll be talking about the elements of marketing. The WIFM, it's the what's in it for me. The rascal, the factors that represent the who and the what. In the example we'll use is who is the author and what is the book. And the 5Ws covers the other elements and pulls the WIFM and the rascal factors together. Who, what, when, where, why. And remember, marketing and publicity have two different meanings. They are needed together. Each one cannot work successfully alone. Marketing are the elements that describe why your product is worth buying by the consumer. Publicity is the vehicle to get the marketing elements to the consumers so that they know about your product. Both are needed together to be effective.